Working with RTP, let me tell you what I've learned. The housing crisis in Philadelphia is real. And that's what I've learned. We need to recognize it and do something about it.
Rebuilding Together Philadelphia is a nonprofit that provides free home repairs to income-eligible homeowners and tenants. Unfortunately, the need for the home repair work that Rebuilding Together Philadelphia does is really significant. In Philadelphia, the combination of high poverty and high home ownership rates and old housing means that there's a lot of families that are living in homes that are unsafe or have repair needs that they haven't been able to afford.
Well, the program, I signed up for it when I went on disability. The house wasn't accommodating for me with my illnesses. And I thought, well, I'm going to have to move. And then the RTP program, they called me and Brandon came, he explained all this stuff to me. And I thought, well, maybe I'll be able to stay here. The modifications they did to the house make it more feasible. The kitchen is livable. The floor's not falling in anymore. So when they did that, and they put the handrails in, which helps me get up and down the steps, even when I have those bad days. The heating system that works. So those things make it easier for me to stay here and not put a financial burden on them. And I don't know what I would have done without it. I really don't.
We've been able to put down deep roots in the communities that we work with. We have sustained relationships with those communities and with the community partners. We have homeowners that have joined our board of directors and joined our homeowner advisory council so that we have homeowner voices directly impacting the strategy of how we do home repairs and how we tackle new issues.
I was so proud when I was asked to be on the homeowners advisory council. I know how these people are feeling because I remember how I felt. It's not that people don't want to fix the house, they have the money and won't do it. They just don't have the money. And the most valuable thing that most people have is their home. And if you can maintain it enough so you can live in it and age here in the house, places you're comfortable with, and then you can pass it on to help another relative, that's generational wealth.
One of the things that I like to say is that the work that Rebuilding Together does is about justice and not charity. There are so many overlapping systems of oppression and predatory forces that are putting homeowners in situations that home repairs are out of reach for them. One of the things that I'm hopeful about, or that feels like an opportunity to me, is that we have one of the highest homeownership rates of any large city in the country. So there's an opportunity there that if we invest with the resources to take care of those homes, there's a chance to really preserve that housing stock and preserve homeownership for lower income and middle income families.
I get such a pleasure out of seeing people being happy and served, their needs being taken care of. Like the block bill, that morning, I never forget. You heard this stuff moving in the block, and then you heard people just talking, and you look out, and then you see all of these people, and they putting up tents and putting up tables, and oh my, it was like a party. And the neighbors start coming out, and I never forget. And I walked into this wonderful world of Rebuilding Together Philadelphia.